So if you have a stripped or oversized screw hole that won't hold a screw anymore, there's several options for resolving that problem. The first one is use a bigger screw, if you can, or a longer screw, or a screw that's wider, that'll fill the hole properly and grab onto material and hold whatever it is you're screwing in place. If that's not an option, one technique that I commonly use is using toothpicks and wood glue, where in this case you can see the screw hole is too big and the screw won't hold the hardware in place. So I dip toothpicks into wood glue and then slide them into the hole and then break them off and work the screw in through the toothpick and glue mixture that I've put into the existing hole. You can work the glue-covered toothpicks into the hole, break them off, flush for the door. I like to use a utility knife, a razor knife, slice them off so they're flush, and then you can work the existing screw that you had into that hole, which is basically now made smaller by the presence of the toothpicks covered with wood glue. And the glue will keep everything in place until it sets up and dries and creates a new little home for that screw. Another technique, if you have the time, is to drill the hole out the appropriate size for a wooden dowel. And you coat that wooden dowel with glue and slide that in there, cut it off flush, let it dry. Now you're starting with a blank slate. You can pre-drill a little hole for your screw in that. Especially if you're painting, that works out good. If it's a stain and urethane situation, then the toothpick trick might work out better.